Hello, this is a Protostome video assignment and I decided to do it on crawfish. What are crawfish? Crawfish, aka crayfish, are freshwater crustaceans in the Arthropoda phylum. They are closely related to lobsters and are characterized by their mixed section, meaning they have a joint head and a thorax, and a segmented body. A common name for crawfish are crayfish, crawfish, mudbugs, and crawdads. And a scientific name I decided to pick was Procameus clarkii, which is the Louisiana's crawfish. So crawfish live in a variety of different habitats, and majority of them are aquatic, such as streams, rivers, lakes, ponds, marshes, and burrows. And their food is also very diverse. So to collect their food, they use a long antenna to find them, and then they use their claws on the end of their walking hands and mouth to pick up their food. They eat a variety of foods such as plants, insects, snails, fish, and other crustaceans, and these organisms could also be alive or dead. So the predator and prey relationships. So in many different environments, crawfish act as both prey and predators. So, prey in most environments, crawfish are preyed on by larger fish, mammals, and birds such as bass, catfish, great blue herons, raccoons, otters, and minks, other crawfish, and humans. Predators in most environments, crawfish prey on invertebrates, aquatic plants, fish, and other crustaceans. In addition, in some certain environments, some species of crawfish could also become invasive. So the example I decided to pick was the Australian red claw, which originated in Australia but been in Texas since 2013, and they've been invasive in their environments, outcompeting native species for space and reducing biodiversity. So this is a tree of life. So like I said in the first slide, um, crawfish and other crustaceans are from the Arthropoda phylum, and they all come from the common ancestor, and this is the tree that they're in. So why are crawfish important for the ecosystem and humankind? They're important because they're indicators of water quality and environmental health. They normally flourish in clean waters but die in the polluted waters. So if you notice a huge and sudden death of mass crawfish populations in one area, that may be a huge indicator that you have water pollution. And they also serve as great decomposers. So, like I said in the food slide, they eat both alive and dead animals, which allows them to break down certain dead plant materials. And this promotes recycling, and it also provides more readily available food for smaller aquatic animals. And this makes them an important link in the aquatic food chain. This is a picture of a crawfish. And these are my source cited. Thank you and have a great one.